Hello everyone, today I will be unboxing and doing a review about the Gigaware LK006, the keyboard and mouse set that I have bought in Lazada. The keyboard has a metallic surface. The design is very simple. Its main feature is its RGB LED backlight. The backlight is quite dim, and since the keycaps are not clear, the LED light doesn't pass through. I will show you how it looks like at dark. You cannot customize its backlight, but you can adjust its brightness by pressing FN, page down, or FN plus page up. You can also change its interval by pressing FN and its brightness button. The keyboard is not a mechanical one. When you remove one of the keycaps, it will show you that it's a vertebrae keyboard. The mouse fits perfectly at your hand and it performs well. I will recommend this gaming keyboard for you if you want a cheap but a good quality product.